I gave you the key when the door wasn't open. Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned your doubt into hoping. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turned them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? To keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord. Where are you now that I need you?
Hola amigos, estamos aquí en el nuevo circuito de motocross permanente Manuel Clemente, en la ciudad de Chiclana de la Frontera. El motocross vuelve y a lo grande en mi ciudad. Próximo día 27 de enero, inauguración del Campeonato Interprovincial, todas las categorías, pilotos internacionales. Estaré yo presente en la parrilla de salida. Será sin duda un gran espectáculo.
Os esperamos todos, no podéis faltar.